It's the Coach Vaughn.
It's your girl Shavon.
Welcome back to another video, man.
Welcome back to another video, man.
As you guys see by the thumbnail and title,
we are going to be talking about our new intro and outro, and also something more spicy.
Spicy. You guys already see by the thumbnail and title anyway, so
we're going to be talking about this 1K giveaway.
Yay! If you're happy, spam it up in the comment section. Say yay! 1K. Let's go.
Guys.
Let's go.
So yeah, we know we are a little late with this 1K video, but we've been trying to brainstorm and think what we're gonna do and what we're gonna give, and
yeah, we've been thinking. It took us. We're getting an extra 100 plus some more subscribers for this
and
giveaway.
We appreciate
that's love though, man.
Love and support throughout this journey. It has been a long journey.
We started
last year?
We created, this is where it started. We created this account, this YouTube channel back in 2018 around November. But we didn't upload our first video until last year, 2019, around
I think January.
Excuse me, around January, February. So really, and then it really took us a year to get to this 1,000 subscribers, but during that year, we missed a lot of days. I remember we missed like 2-3 months straight.
We did, yeah.
We missed a whole 2 or 3 months straight. So if you really think about it, we haven't been really grinding that much. So if you really think about it, we should have been made 1,000 subscribers, but that's how YouTube is, you know. You slack off, it's the subs and the views gonna slack off too, just like you. So you gotta stay consistency on your grind. So yeah, it took us about a year here in some months, or maybe just a year flat. Cause I said we didn't grind the whole year. We missed like a lot of days, a lot of months.
I think the first time we missed, I think it was like a month or two we missed, and then we made a video about us coming back, what we're gonna be doing and all this stuff, and then like a little bit after that we missed, I think, a couple weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, I think, and then we just tried to come back and grind even more. And
it's been days where the numbers, it would not move, the sub would not move, the views would not move. But we'll keep going, we'll keep grinding, because we know God got something in store, and we made 2,000 subscribers. We're grateful for it, we're happy. It's just a start. It's like a 1% out of a million% that we really want to be. So we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep grinding, and then we're doing this giveaway to show us our appreciation. Thank you guys for really showing us love, so subbing, and so we're gonna talk about the giveaway. We're gonna talk about the intro, the outro, what's new come to the channel. We're gonna talk about whatever. So before we dive into that, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as you said, we're really thankful for 1,000 subscribers. I never think I would ever hit 1,000 subscribers.
I didn't either. Like it was like
up to right now. Every time I look at my phone, like damn, 1,000 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but still, 1,000 people follow me.
It is to us. Like I think our first 100 was like, yo, we got 100 people watching the video.
For real, yeah.
Like, it's just amazing when you see that your project and something that your baby basically that you hold dear to yourself and that you're trying to put all your energy into is growing and is flourishing into something beautiful, and we appreciate y'all love. It's just like it's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. So with that being said, we're going to dive into, we're not trying to make this video any longer. So first thing first, we're going to talk about the giveaway last. But first thing first, we're going to talk about the intro and outro. You guys see the intro that we have. It's pretty cool. I made it myself personally.
Yeah, he made it.
I made it within an hour or so. I made it myself. We've been using it.
Really good.
So I'm not sure how we're going to do our new intro, but I know it's a new intro coming, because we just hit 1,000 subscribers, new beginnings.
We want y'all to see something different as our channel grows.
Each time we hit that milestone, we're trying to upgrade. So we're going to try to create a new intro. If you guys got any ideas, comment down below how we should do this intro. Same with the outro. The outro is not really a big deal, but you know, the intro is
a big deal because I made the outro. What you mean?
I mean, in general.
It took some time. I was not just playing.
Anyways, the intro is the first thing somebody sees in the beginning of the video. So if the intro don't catch your eyes, then they ain't gonna watch the video. So for some people. So yeah, we're gonna look into an intro. I already hit up my specialist.
Our intro specialist.
Yeah, she's very good, guys. When we do the intro, we're gonna shout out, and then you guys can go. Yeah. Hit her up.
Cause she does really good intro. She actually made our Christmas intro.
Yeah, you guys saw our Christmas. We were trying to attempt to do the Christmas.
Yeah, we tried to attempt to do Vlogmas, but it just.
Yeah, she did the intro, she did the outro for us. So if you guys want to go back and go check that out, that's pretty cool. She did a pretty good job, really surprisingly. Not surprisingly, but she did it really surprised us how good she is.
It was really good. I wish we could use it for like next year, but it has 2019.
It has 2019. You probably can. Just got maybe cover it out.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. So new intro coming, new outro. Comment down below how you want that to look like. Yeah. So another thing that we're gonna talk about is let's see, what else? Oh, guys, we're gonna do a lot of reactions, like a lot of reactions. We appreciate all the new comments and reactions. But what we want to start doing is, we've been doing it, but we want to start going back to pranks, challenges, and cooking videos and all that stuff. So we're gonna start by going back into that. We're gonna still do reaction for sure.
Yeah,
we want to start by, because if you guys rock with us, been with us, we started this channel based off pranks and challenges. So we actually want to start going back to that. So comment down below or Instagram us, whatever, what new challenge or pranks you guys want to see, because we want to start back doing that.
Yeah.
And what else we need to talk about before we get to the giveaway? That's it.
I think that's probably it. We really didn't have a lot to talk about.
Yeah.
Just the intro, outro, and what we plan to do our channel.
Okay. So that's all that know for the main part that all y'all click this video for. Because I know all y'all click this video just for this
We
part.
know what y'all click this video for.
The giveaway. So here we've been thinking about this giveaway, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to give away $100. Hold on.
He breaking stuff over there. Break it. Don't break it.
Hold on. There you go. I already got $100 right here. You guys see?
$100.
$100.
And it's real. Y'all want me to burn it and see?
Be a bird what? It must be crazy. So guess what we're gonna do? $100, guys. This is really a lot. Because it's coming out of our pocket from our 9-to-5 job.
Yeah, it's a lot, guys.
Hey, we guys been doing a lot for us, so we gotta try and do the effort.
Show y'all.
So it's gonna be $100. It's gonna be $50 for 2 people. We're gonna do 2 giveaways for 2 people, a girl and a boy. Pretty much so.
Just so we can even it out and be fair to each gender.
$50 each. And it's really simple, guys. All you have to do is that in this giveaway, guys. What do you want to do? I want to say.
I said. So the only thing you all have to do to enter into this giveaway, we're not gonna make it long. You don't have to follow his brother account, my brother account, my sister, my uncle, my brother, my daddy.
I don't think I'll ever be doing that.
Because that's a lot. But the only thing y'all have to do is go to both of our Instagrams and follow us. That's the only thing you have to do is go to his Instagram. It's all in the description bar below. It's all in the description. We're gonna try and pop up on the screen for you guys. Yeah. Go to his Instagram, follow him. My Instagram, follow me. Come back to this video here that we're announcing. Come back to this video here and just put done and then put your Instagram name so we'll know exactly who you are. So yeah, we're gonna be picking at the end, I believe next week, around this time next week, we're going to be picking a boy and a girl. So we're only doing it for 1 week, guys, because you know
1 week. We will be checking, guys. So
yeah,
I know some of you guys will come in and don't have a profile picture, so we won't know if you're a girl or a boy. Well, I guess you can base it off a name, but if you don't got that picture, make sure you definitely want to come and get Instagram so we know if you're a girl or a boy. Yeah. Because we're going to pick 1 boy or 1 girl, $50 a piece. And we're going to be doing what? Cash App, PayPal?
Cash App, PayPal.
I know if somebody from back home or any other country, I'm not Jamaica, they don't do PayPal. They don't have Cash App, so if somebody back home and then that's definitely PayPal. But we're going to do Cash App and PayPal
and then maybe Zelle.
Maybe Zelle.
Maybe Zelle.
Maybe Zelle.
Maybe. That's a big maybe. So Cash App and PayPal. If you guys have cash.
And guys, this is 1 week. Maybe less than a week, but for sure 1 week. So it's Thursday. Thursday today. So Thursday from now, which is next week, we're going to be done. It's Wednesday night. We're going to be done.
And we're going to announce it Thursday.
And we're going to make another video. We're going to, how we're going to do it, we're going to probably write down each. We're really going to write down you guys' name. Watch us. Man, I hope it's not a lot of writing we got to do. We're gonna write out you guys' name, our Instagram name, and when we go to start a video, we're gonna ruffle it up. We're just gonna pick you guys' name, ruffle it up, pick something random names.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
So yeah, we're gonna have a bucket with girls and have a bucket with boys. He's gonna pick the girl name. I'm gonna pick the boy name.
Okay.
So the way we're gonna get the names is every day we see somebody comment, we're gonna write their name down. And just so the way it'll be easy, so we won't do it all in one day. Like try to go through and write all of them.
Follow us, guys. I will be checking.
Yeah, we'll check if you follow us.
I will be checking. I will check. Come back this video, comment done. Do not text me and say you done. You can still text me. I respond. But come on this video and say you done.
put done.
And I personally, guys, I will follow you guys back. I don't really trip, but I will follow
I don't either. I follow. As long as you're not a creep. If you're a creep, if you want some creep stuff, no.
Yeah, don't spam message me. I will message you back. I will follow you back. I ain't on that. You know, no, I ain't blocking nobody. No, let's be respectful. So yeah, that's about it for the giveaway, man. $50 a piece, $100 giveaway. Of course, the more subs will gain. Next giveaway is probably gonna be at 5,000. It's probably be
by the grace of God, we get there.
Yeah, it's probably 150 or 200. Well, probably 150. So with 3 people.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Tell your friends, subscribe because we're doing big things. Grinding stuff won't stop. So yeah, we're gonna new intro, new outro. Going back to pranks. Oh yeah, while you guys are following us on Instagram, you guys can DM us what pranks you want us to do with each other.
Yeah, we answer back.
We're not coming in the comments. If you come, we gonna see it. We gonna know.
Don't comment.
You want her to do a prank with me? Text her so she can do her thing.
Yeah.
If you want me to do a prank on her, text me so I can do my thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's about it. Thanks again. Really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, that's all I have to say. And
that's all we gotta say.
That's all I have to say, man. Hope you guys have a good day. You guys anything else want to say?
That's it.
So yeah, that's all I have to say, man. We're gonna capitalize this video right here, and we're gonna call it a day right here. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and be safe on the streets. And we're gonna see you guys in the next video, but the next week for the for this giveaway. So yeah, thanks again.
Biggggg out.